Welcome back to Desi Boy's Kitchen. Today we're gonna make Daal Makhani. Mahdi dal, people call it Mahdi dal, Gujaratis call it Adadni dal. So this is a dal basically, right? So what I've taken is one small bowl of Mahdi dal and just a handful full of rose beans, right? You can always take kidney beans, right? But rose beans are better, they digest better than kidney beans. So all you can do is soak them overnight, right? So what I've done here is I've already soaked these overnight. So what we're going to do is I'm going to wash them until the water is clear. Seven, 8. What I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up 1, 2, 3 spoons of mustard oil. I'm going to heat it up, right? And then I'm going to add into our dal, right? Oil is heated, so I'm going to switch my gas here. I'm going to add oil into our water, right? Guys, you got to be really, really careful, right? So you stay away. We're put a lid on, and what we're going to do is we'll put 8 measurement of water. That means we're going to give 8 whistles of a pressure cooker. Remember guys, same amount of water, same amount of whistles, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to make a gravy for this. While this is sizzling, we have soaked our rice. So what we're going to do is we're going to add again the mustard oil. Mustard oil goes really, really well with Mahdi dal, right? So we've already added in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to add sort of 1 more spoon in here. And we're going to add our 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic, because more garlic goes in Mahdi dal. And we're going to do 2 spoons of our ginger, yeah? That goes in here. What we're going to do is we're going to add a bit of methi in as well. So it's a dry methi, so just a good pinch. There you go. That goes in here. Dry methi. That's my 8th whistle, right? I'm going to switch it off. What we're going to do is we're going to add our half a tin of tomatoes in here. At this stage I'm gonna add chilies. So 1 good teaspoon of chilies. If you want to put more chilies, you're more than welcome. So remember, this is our measurement of a dal. So what we're going to do is, we're going to simmer this up and slowly add our milk to make a thick gravy. So what we're going to do is, we're going to do this very slow, yeah? Look. It's all really gone into it. So we're going to add more. This is nearly done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it to the back burner to sizzle it. Right, for this to get really thick. Look at this dal. Look at that. Right, it's really done. So what we're going to do is we're going to add our gravy in here. Let's taste this, guys. Wow, it tastes so nice. We can taste garlicky, gingery, earthy flavor, and really creamy. It's optional. If you want to add a bit of cream on the top, you can. But for me, it's perfect. It looks really nice. It tastes really nice, right? Today, shout out goes to Rita Sanjeev from Stoke-on-Trent, Dala Rohit from Birmingham, Sunita Sharma and Manjeet Kaur from Chandigarh. Guys, if you want me to give you a shout out in my next video, please DM me on Desi Boy Kitchen at Instagram. Share, subscribe and like my videos, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Keep on cooking and I will see you soon. Bye for now.